play, children become thoughtful, creative, independent learners. Our approach to play enables children to be curious, to plan, develop, and implement their own designs in play.
Loose parts are things that are taken from either outside, inside, like bottle caps, recycled materials, and we kind of just mix them all together and put them on the table for the children to explore, and it sparks their imagination and their creativity. It allows them to not have a specific way to use certain materials. So we've taken mirrors and put them out with bottle caps, and the children have, some have created a stage, while others will use them for stacking and counting and sorting.
As teachers, you have an agenda, but it's nice to see the children's agenda and where they want to take it, and whether they want to sort them or they want to build them, or they do whatever they want with them, or they build together or they build separate and then they bring them together. It just allows them to have their own ideas unfold, and then they are so excited with what they've done.
Play is extremely important because that's how the children make sense of their world. If we were always having structure and not letting them play, they couldn't make sense of what they learned. So it's almost their way of taking what they've learned, whether it be the ABCs or they've learned about volcanoes, and making sense of it. And you will often look around the room and seeing them mock it. Children over in the dramatic play are playing out what their family does, or playing out what some other children have said to them or not said to them. Over in the Play-Doh, they might be building something. Their father might be an architect and they're building a beautiful building. It's often they're making sense of their world, and if we don't allow them to do that, then they're just becoming robots.
Play is, their natural environment, what they naturally are drawn to. So play is important. They don't realize they're learning. They're learning everything. They're learning engineering, they're learning science, they're learning math skills and problem solving. They don't realize they're learning, but they're learning.